Hey guys, John coming at you with another video. Today I want to demonstrate the Twinkly 2020 series Pro strings. The 2021 controllers and above, the Pro ones, allegedly cannot work with these, but in fact they can. But first, let's see what we're dealing with. They're currently on deep sales on some sites. A newer 250 string would normally run about $199. This was $53 for the same length. Comparing these to the newer strings, the strings look identical, but you're dealing with this for the plug. This plug is much smaller than what is needed for connection. I'm going to demonstrate this working. This is the Twinkly Plus, the old Twinkly Plus, and it takes either one single string or a split string. Well, as it turns out, Twinkly makes an adapter. If you use this adapter, so the problem with these plug-ins was they're very weak and they're easy to ruin. So, I mean, I just opened these and it's kind of egg-shaped already, and I haven't even tried to hook it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to line it up with this adapter and never take the adapter out of it ever again. And then let's see how these work. Line your flat sides up. I don't normally recommend you do this with the device turned on. So, there you have it. Works just fine. Cycle through the effects. Standard Twinkly effects. And if you use this device instead of a Pro controller, you still get use of the music dongle. So you can have the nice lights. This is about, I've seen it as cheap as 70 bucks. It's a pretty expensive controller. But this and this together with these on sale, that's $120. It's about equivalent, and it's bigger bulbs of what you would get for the normal Pro ones. All right, that's all I got for this video. Thanks, guys.